welcome to the show. Here's your host, it's Anita.
I finally made it here to San Diego, Anza Cove. Oh my gosh, I've only been in traffic for 2 hours, but this is where I am right now. Anza Cove, sorry. Anza Cove, everybody, and I'm so excited to be here. I can't wait. I think I'm gonna check everybody out. So here we go. Right now we're gonna go check out what's happening back here. Maybe if I can get back there. I gotta figure out how to get back there. Okay, you guys, this is the San Diego Ho'olaulea. If you've never been, it's really beautiful. It's butt up against the Mission Bay, literally on the bay, and I'll show you guys in a little bit, but it's just absolutely gorgeous. And it turned out to be such a beautiful day today. It is Saturday, May 4th. May the 4th be with you. But it's a really beautiful day. And if you've never been, like I said, you should come down.
San Diego at the Pachanga.
Listen, Kamaka.
What's up? They had a private event,
Oh my
and
gosh,
it was
I've
the
only been on
Moana
the
theme.
freeway for 2.5 hours.
So,
Holy crap.
to stay in the
Anyways,
theme of Moana,
this
I
is the brains
choreographed to
behind the
this
Sandwich
famous
Islands
song
Network
sung
radio.
by
Aloha.
Maui, our very own.
Welcome.
Right? Here's the big old money lay that everybody's talking about that we're going to be raffling off. It's beautiful. Okay, you guys, here I am at the bay. This is one of my favorite spots here in San Diego, which is the Mission Bay. And as you can see why. I love the ocean. I can't go in the ocean, but I love the ocean. Isn't it beautiful? It's just gorgeous. It's one of my favorite spots here in San Diego. And then further south is Point Loma. It's my other favorite spot here in San Diego. So I just wanted to bring you a little glimpse of what it's like here in the bay, or at the bay in San Diego. Isn't it gorgeous here? I really love it. And then over there is the Kapila stage. You see it? Where did I just see it? There. That's the Kapila stage, and it's just basically just a smaller stage, smaller, intimate, and for those who sing, or well, for artists that sing, and if they sing songs that you can dance to, they always welcome hula dancers to come up and dance. So it's one of my favorite things here at the Ho'olaulea. So I'm gonna show you around. Oh my god. You know, I can never just not stop by the OC Tropics. Hello. Never. I can never.
Helen. Come on, Helen.
Oh,
Is it on right now?
Yeah, it's on.
Oh,
Hi, everybody. Okay, here, let me just turn it this way.
honey.
Hello.
Hi, it's OC Tropics.
It's the
in the
OC
house.
Tropics.
Wearing my new apparel.
Oh, are you really?
Yes, I am.
What's
You can wear it different ways. It's a one size fits all. You can wear it with a belt, or you can wear it long.
Look at the model.
Yes,
Oh my
you can
god.
wear it long,
Uh-huh.
and they're pretty much. That's why it's one size fits all. One, you can wear it long, and then you tie the
Very
sides.
cool.
So, yes.
One size fits all. How
Yes.
much? How much is that?
$20.
$20, you guys. And it's worth it. You know, we have to always stop by here and say hello. So,
Thank
anyways.
you for coming. Wow. God bless.
It's POW right now, so we're getting ready to head on out and have dinner, and then we'll be back here tomorrow. Okay, so it's been a really long day. I spent most of my time driving. I spent about over 2.5 hours, about 2.5 hours driving here to San Diego. So finally met up with the crew, with the Sin crew. And then we went out to dinner and had a nice dinner at the Homestyle Hawaiian pub, I think it is, right off of the 15. And I'm actually here staying in my cousin's house, so I like to call it the hotel because They are so hospitable. If you ever have one of those cousins and family members that just really go to the ends of the earth to make you feel comfortable, they are them. So I thank them so much. So I am going to be back at the Ho'olaulea tomorrow. So come see me if you're in the San Diego area. Come stop by the Sandwich Islands Network radio tent and say hello, say aloha, and we'll take pictures and say hello, and you'll meet the crew. Hope you enjoyed watching today. So we'll see you later. Aloha.